Are you one of those who think that happiness and freedom are not measured in money? I have to disappoint you guys. Not at all. Nowadays, almost everything is measured in money. So, in this channel, I make people happy.
Let's start today's trading session. Today I'm trading cryptocurrencies, and I have already analyzed and selected the assets with the best price movement and payout percentage. I'll be trading with the trend today, using an indicator setup that I frequently rely on. Those of you who regularly watch my trading videos know that this strategy performs well. Indeed, with proper market analysis, most of your trades will close in profit. One of today's key tasks, in addition to analyzing the trend, will be finding local highs and lows for potential trades against the trend. For this, we will use the SI oscillator with a period of 15. We will also monitor overbought and oversold areas, observing how the moving average behaves. As we proceed, you will learn how to correctly apply this strategy. I'll explain each trade in detail so that by the end of the session, you'll have as few questions as possible and a clear understanding of the approach. Let's start with the $75 trade and 1 minute time frame and select our first crypto asset.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video, I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
Let's select Dogecoin here and open a long position, following the clear upward trend. The Alligator's moving average confirms this. Earlier there was a slight retracement, but now the moving average are signaling that the price has moved out of the overbought area. Opening a trade against the trend would be risky. So we will go with the trend after the retracement. Let's monitor the results. And the first trade closed in profit. Great, there was nothing complicated here. I believe everything was straightforward. Let's continue with another $75 trade and pick up the next cryptocurrency. Here I will open a trade against the trend. The recent price volatility has been significant, and I'm relying on the moving average, leaving the oversold areas. I expect the retracements to continue. We also see good structural levels, making this a strong setup for a counter trade. So let's watch the result. The retracements continue, and I hit the right candle. You can see the price moving down now, but I caught the retracement and closed the trade in profit. Let's proceed with another $75 trade and find the next optional entry. This time I will open a trade with a trend. The entry point wasn't perfect. I believe the price will move in my favor. The moving average shows a downward trend, and I don't want to trade against this clear direction. The SSI oscillator also exits the oversold area, so I prefer to go with the trend. Let's monitor the result. The trade closed in profit. The final candle had a sharp upward impulse, and good timing allowed me to secure this win. Let's move on and find another crypto asset. Let's select Bitcoin and open a counter trend trade here. It's not the strongest trade, but the previous price action showed weak volume and flat movement. There are several key support points, and the SSI has exited the oversold area. Let's see how it plays out. I hit the retracement and closed in profit. Despite earlier candles indicating downward movement, the final push went upward, closing the trade successfully. Let's continue with another $75 trade. Here I will open a long position. There have been two local highs, one of which is a major high. The retracement has been extended, so I am opening near the lowest point of this pullback. There is a possibility the price might continue downwards due the previous highs, but let's wait for the outcome. The trade closed in profit, a local low formed, and there is a potential for further upward movement. This confirms my correct entry, and I locked in profit. Let's continue with another $75 trade.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
I'll open a long position here. This entry looks good, but the logic is slightly different. We're seeing a crossover of the Alligator moving average, signaling a trend reversal after hitting a major low. There is a potential for an upward move, confirmed by a local low on the Fractal Indicator. Let's watch the result. However, the trend continued downward, and this trade closed at loss. There wasn't a clear alligator crossover, so I missed the right timing for entry. Still, you can see that the trend is reversing upward. The analysis was correct, but the timing was off. No worries, and I'm satisfied with today's profit and won't take any more risks. Today's total profit is $270. The withdrawal process is successful. That's it for today's trading session. As I mentioned earlier, this strategy has proved itself consistently. With proper chart analysis and trend understanding, and some practice, you'll achieve similar results. So guys, if you have any question, you can always find the link to my Telegram in the video description. Feel free to ask me anything, and I'll do my best to help. So, I'm sorry I'm a little bit sick, and have a great day guys, and see you soon.